This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 17th of May. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and near normal temperatures will persist for the next week or so as we remain in a very stagnant weather pattern here across the Southwest. Let's get into it, but first we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 99 degrees, the high in the valley after a morning low of 70. We are 2.39 inches behind on our rainfall for the year. And outside right now here at 5 a.m. with the sun just about ready to peek over the Superstition Mountains. Clear skies out there and 72 degrees to start this day at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 35, humidity 25%. Wind from the east at 10 miles per hour and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning. 59 degrees, the cool spot at Fort McDowell. It's in the upper 60s in some of the coolest valley locations otherwise, but generally mid and even upper 70s for us here in the urban core. Water vapor satellite view, troughing remains to our north and west. A dry west and southwesterly flow around here, keeping conditions very dry. The watch warning map, we have red flag warnings across northern and eastern Arizona with breezy to locally windy conditions and low humidities continuing. That means high fire danger across much of the western United States. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms around Amarillo, Texas, and from northeast Colorado all the way up to as far north as Bismarck, North Dakota today. The marginal risk for many of the adjacent states. And rainfall for the next 7 days here in the valley, nothing. And basically nothing statewide as this very persistent dry weather pattern that we have come to know and love this time of year will remain in place. Let's talk about it anyway, though. We'll take a look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper trough over the Great Basin, a southwesterly flow out ahead of it. And down below all that at the surface, well, mostly sunny and breezy conditions today. Locally windy in northern Arizona, southern Nevada, southern California. Here in the valley, west and southwesterly winds, 8 to 20 miles per hour this afternoon. High temperatures, low to mid-90s. Tonight, mostly clear skies, lows mainly in the 60s to near 70. And then tomorrow, again, troughing passing north of the state, mostly sunny skies, breezy in the afternoon with southwest winds 8 to 20. Highs generally in the upper 80s and low 90s. I'd say 89 to 93. Low to mid 90s on Saturday, mid 90s on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday as troughing remains just to the north and west of the state. You see some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms through the Intermountain West, but nothing really affecting us here in the valley. Just occasional high clouds passing by from time to time, and even those will be fairly scarce. Let's go to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 24th of May. Troughing still kind of lingering around. Heights right about where they should be, though, and that means temperatures will be right about where they should be, somewhere in the mid and upper 90s. Here's Friday, the 25th, and that still looks dry and warm with high temperatures about seasonal for this time of year, 96 to 100. And then the end of the forecast period, this is Saturday the 26th, ridging building along the west coast and into the northeast Pacific. Troughing still persisting over the four corners. If this is right, high temperatures are still pretty seasonal, somewhere between about 98 and 101. Another interesting feature you see there is a low, a tropical low developing somewhere over the eastern Gulf of Mexico. And we've seen this advertised now in a few runs of the GFS. If this verifies, this is 10 days out though, keep this in mind as we talk about it, it has a tropical system, maybe a tropical storm developing in somewhere southwest of Tampa Bay at this point. But let's take a look at the old European, the more reliable model in the medium range. Well, it's got a tropical low out here also in the eastern Gulf. Now again, this is a long ways out and a lot is likely to change between now and then, but something that is absolutely worth watching, especially given the consistency of this being advertised on the models. All right, let's check the temperatures coming off the GFS ensemble through the period. Highs stay kind of in striking distance of average for the next 5, 6, 7, 8 days. But then we really see a big warm up as we go out toward the end of the month with highs getting up to around 105, 106, 107. Wow. All right, that'll about do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have yourselves a great rest of your Thursday.